It's
Wow.
great. I'm so glad.
Oh, there's a sticker on the top. What does it say?
From St. Nick.
That's right, to Jack. I see your name on it right there.
Yeah, to Jack. But this is one of the Joker guys is not good joke. He shoots cannons. This is a cannon.
Oh, it does shoot cannons. You're right.
And that is one of. I see this is a pole. Oh, what's this stuff? I don't know all the parts, Dad.
Yeah, it does have all the parts, doesn't it?
Wow, it comes out the top.
Oh, the elevator?
Santa ate his cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did.
He did come here. I can't believe it. I'm going to play with my game now.
I'm gonna make coffee.
Oh, that would be Peter.
Peter, look at mommy. Say mama.
See? This comes out the top.
A
Watch.
good one.
Watch it come
Let me
out.
take a picture with you in Batman's cave.
Okay. But as soon as I get this out, I want you to take a picture of the Batman and the Joker.
Okay, kneel behind it and give me a nice big Merry Christmas smile. Okay, can you smile?
I see it. Batman's cave. Ah!
What else did you get?
It scared myself.
Or do you just want to play with Batman's cave for a little while?
Oh, this place Batman's cave.
That's fine.
Peter, do you want to see what you got?
Jack, do you want to help Peter find his presents? This says to Peter on it.
Oh, you know what? Jack Wyatt has this, right?
It does.
Yeah. You know how it works?
I think you have to turn it on, Mama. In the back. There's a switch right there. See it? What do you think, Peter?
Do you think this is the best toy ever?
I think he does. Oh, this comes out. See, Mom?
Yeah, I see.
That's how it comes out.
Yeah. Peter, hit that red button.
Do this.
Almost. Oh, I distracted you.
Dad, you're walking.
Oh, sorry.
Should I do it?
Oh, is that a little scary?
Oh, the balls fell up here. You want to just play with the balls?
Hey, what a trap. How are you, Peter?
Peter, do you think it's too early?
No,
way.
Mama thinks it's too early, right, Mama?
So early.
Silly power outages.
I can see my
I think
Batman.
power outage wouldn't wake people up.
Mommy, I don't see my Batman.
Oh, he's
Oh,
over here.
he's over here. Merry Christmas, everybody.